Welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. Thanks for being with me. Today we're going to unbox a subscription from Paradise Delivered. As you can tell from the box and the name of it, it does sound just like it is. It's inspired by tropical vacations and was founded to provide warmth and happiness to the mind, body, and spirit. They encourage subscribers to treat themselves as they should be treated. Slow down, take a break from our busy, hectic lives. This box is $39.99 a month, and they do provide discounts at 3 months and 6 months prepayment. So you open the box, and this is what we see. Okay, win your next box. I'll have to sit down and read about that. But this is the card that tells about all the different things that are in this box. All right, so once I open the tissue paper, I see some really fun things. Look at that mask on the side. That would be interesting to be caught wearing. All right, let's just start right from the top and see if I can find it in the box. Indigo Authority Cora Pink long necklace and earring set. Oh, well, that sounds really lovely. Here it is. Yeah, Indigo Authority. Okay, they're saying this is the value, if I can get it out. There we go. It is the value of $54, and this is darling. Oh, this is when I get so sad that I can't wear costume jewelry. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love those earrings. And I love this rose quartz on here. That is beautiful. This will make my niece very happy. Okay, so that's value of $54. And remember I mentioned this box is worth I paid $39.99 for this box. So we're ahead already, yay. All right, the next item is Empower Her Beauty Unstoppable Lash Serum. Yay, because my lash serum is running out. Let's see if we can find it. Here it is. Empower Her Beauty Lash Serum. That's fantastic. All right, let's read a little bit about it. We already know you have what it takes to get the job done. And now your lashes can be unstoppable too. Cute. Yeah, I'll definitely be using that. And I didn't really say much about the necklace, I'm sorry. But here it talks about make a bold statement with the chic, stylish, semi-precious stone. Long necklace and earring set in gold. Necklace measures 30 inches with a 3-inch extender. Okay. The lash serum was valued at $22. We're way ahead already. This is amazing. All right, then there's the Belgian Boys Cookie Stash Duo. Mini cookie stash. 2 of them, wow. I love it when there's new snacks to try. So one is butter cookies, and this one is chocolate chip. I will look forward to trying these, and I guess I'll share with my husband. I wouldn't have to. He would never know. All right, then the next is my little dog stopping in to say hello. Yeah. I keep promising a video where I'll introduce you to all my dogs. The day will come. All right, the next item is So Susan Aquarella Deep Hydrating Serum. Okay, this must be it. So Susan Aquarella Deep Hydrating Serum for the face, and body. Well, that's fantastic. All right, let's get this out and then we'll read about it. Oh, when I hear serum, I think of something liquid and in a jar. This is just in a tube, and luckily it's sealed because the cap wasn't screwed on tight. So this is for face and body. but gotta love it's cruelty-free and vegan. I dig that. That makes me very happy. It makes my little friend Suki over here happy that it's cruelty-free too. All right, so refresh, soothe, and soften your skin with the face and body serum infused with avocado oil, vegetable glycerin, and everlasting flower extract. And the value is $48. Wow, but it is a huge size. Doesn't give me a size on the card. But this is 4.1 fluid ounces. That's definitely their full size product. Very nice. I can't wait to try it. All right then, the next one. So there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 items so far, and there's 4 more to go. All right, and the next one is Costa Mesa Supply. Isla two-tone decorative vase. Ooh, I can't wait to see what this is. Oh, well, that's lovely. I adore it. Look at this. That is beautiful enough to go in any decor. The neutral color is definitely a bonus. And it's perfect to put just some shoots of lavender in it. I love purple with browns. I think it's a beautiful, calming, relaxing feel. Yeah. Oh, that's so exciting. I love that. All right. And that value is $26. I'd beg to differ. I think this would value closer to $40. I've bought in vases and they're not cheap. And this is a cute one that can just fit anywhere. I love this. It's great. All right, then we have the Skin Forum 3-piece mask. Remember me giggling about ever getting caught with that on my face? Let's see if they're all the same or if they're different. So there's 3 in here and they are all different. Wow, so we've got a face mask, and then there is a mask for your pout, and then there is a mask for your eyes. I think that's brilliant. That's really nice to just cover all the bases. Yeah. Huh. But yeah, this here mask, I can't wait. I may take pictures and vlog about it. We'll get a good picture for Instagram with this on. And that value was $20 for all 3 of those masks. All right, and then there is 2 more items, and one is Daily Concepts Facial Scrubber, which values at $10. And I'll take it out of here. I've seen one of these before. So these are really nice because you put your hands in the back side, and this side is scratchy. And that you scrub on your face with. And that's really nice. And it's a nice size. This is great. I have one at my sink, and now I'll have another for in my shower. Okay. The next item is Paris Never Leaves You by Ellen Foreman. I'm excited about this. Oh, I'm sorry, Ellen Feldman. It's a book. So we're supposed to relax with the face masks on and read in the tub and soak and enjoy and relax. Take some time and slow down. Just exactly what this box has been wanting us to do. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I look forward to talking to you again in the future. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd be so kind, and subscribe. Thanks. Take care.